Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to unbox this Fitbit Sense 2 that I have been using for quite a while. I didn't post this video because I want to use it first just so I am happy with it, and then I will share with you what my thoughts are. Now I have been using Fitbit for quite a while. I had used the Charge HR and I used the Charge 5 as well, and I love Fitbit mainly because I love exercising and Fitbit just motivates me to do exercise. Yeah, this product looks beautiful. As you can see, open the package, it turns on, and let's look at it and see how it feels. Oh yes, it's beautiful. All right, let's check it out. Nice one. It's really soft. And it has a rubber band. Yeah, I guess it's a rubber. Look at what's that. That's actually a long handle. And they have two. So I guess I don't see the point of this, but you can either use the shorter one or the longer one. So you have the option to change it if you want. Yes, it's beautiful, right? And then you have to go through the setup, obviously, and you need to connect it to your phone always, because you have to get the Fitbit app and set it to either whatever language you prefer. I set it to English because that's what I prefer the most, and just keep exploring to see what they have. But basically I love this Fitbit. It looks really beautiful, and I chose the blue color because why not? And I try to wear it every time during the day for the most part, because yeah. And that is the charger. It's a smart cable and it just is super secure. It makes it looks good. The nicest part of this charger is magnetic, and I think that's so beautiful, and it just super smart way to use it. And yeah, now we have the apps. There are a bunch of apps on this Fitbit. You have the alarms, the Alexa that you can connect. You can check your ECG, EDA scan. I barely use that, but the exercise one that I use a lot. They have the Fitbit Pay if you want to use your watch to pay instead of using your credit card. They have the relax one. I use that few times to meditate. In the settings they have also like the display where you also can use the vibration and audio, and they have a bunch of notifications where you can check your emails, and they have the quiet mode if you want. They also have the weather. That was a bit tricky for me to set up. I don't know why, but I did it at the end of the day. They have a timer, and yeah, those are the apps that they have, and it's beautiful. One thing I don't like about this Fitbit is when I go to bed, I have to take it off. Mainly because it's a bit bigger and I just like to sleep without having anything on. Another thing that I don't like about it, I think I mentioned that, is the weather. It was a bit tricky to set it up. But if you read the manual, then you'll be able to figure it out. And they have some people who also complained on the Fitbit website, and they have instructions of how to set the weather app on your Fitbit. But basically, those are the things that I don't like about it. But the main thing is I love Fitbit. This Fitbit costs around 2,800 Swedish krona, and that's almost about $300. So it's not very expensive, but yet it can do so many things. But everything Fitbit I love because you know what? It's just good to wear, to watch your body, your heart, and exercise, use treadmills, and just monitor so many things in just one smartwatch. So I definitely recommend it. But I would want to know what your thoughts are, whether you like it or not. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.